This is the emergency alert system. More information will follow after the attention signal is broadcast. This is the emergency alert system. The President of the United States has issued an emergency action notification with an attack warning throughout the United States. An actual attack has been recorded and underway. You are to turn to channel 3, 5, 8, 19, 25, or 61 on your TV, or to 90.3 MHz on your FM dial, or to 640, 1100, or 1240 kHz on your AM dial for more information. This station will leave the air